So it's about to pour. Here. I was outside taking like propane down to, it's a few hours later. We were supposed to go to my dad's job and we wanted to wait out the storm because my dad didn't want to drive through it. And while oh, there's a wasp nest right there. I was putting all the stuff in the trunk. It thundered, and it scared me. Hang on, listen to this. That was weak, but like the one that I had just like a few minutes ago was so loud. It was like right there, right next to me. But we're waiting out the storm instead of going to my dad's job. Y'all. Oh, and I also want to talk to you guys about, so I was sitting out here for like so long waiting for the Kona ice truck. At the time it was like really sunny and very humid. Goodness. Oh my goodness. It was so hot and so humid. Okay, let me see if I can set you guys up. But yeah, it was so hot and so humid. Like, I was out here for like maybe 30 minutes. I don't remember. But yeah. Yeah, so I did like a little get ready with me for my intro. I'm doing that like voiceover instead of like doing like a little part where it's like, hey guys, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to do that like voiced over, goodness. I thought I heard a tornado siren. Sometimes you just gotta get with the homies and So I tried this half like lemonade sweet tea. I'm just a big fan of sweet tea or iced tea, so it wasn't the best. It tastes more like lemonade, and I wanted more iced tea. This is like so relaxing, but yet so scary. I'm trying to have like a chit chat kind of video right now, and we have the thunder. Yo, it's coming down now. Yeah, let's focus on right there. You guys see it? Ow. You see that? Alright. Focus on me, sis. Anyway. So, yeah, as I was saying, we were supposed to have, or not supposed to have, okay, let me talk about yesterday. I was supposed to record Father's Day because, you know, Father's Day. I record all of our party videos. Hello, focus. No. There's no lighting, so it's kind of a struggle. Ooh. Okay, as I was saying, I keep on messing up. I was supposed to record the Father's Day video. It would be like a Father's Day vlog. I didn't record anything except for me saying, hey guys, so Maddie's here. Hey guys, Layla's here. It was just like a 3-second video. And it was supposed to be so sunny that day. It was thundering, it was raining, it was so bad. And we had the most delicious seafood boil ever. You gonna cut in? I let the thunder have her little moment. But anyway, yeah, I was supposed to record and I didn't, and I feel like I really wanted to, because it was like, all we did was swim in the we didn't swim in the hot tub. We were in the hot tub, and we were in the pool for like 3 minutes, and then it started pouring. And then, We ate, we watched Coraline, and it was just so fun. My hair, it's drying. Okay, anyway, and I feel so bad not recording because I love recording, like, memories of that and stuff like that. So, yeah, comment down below if you guys want to see, like, any gaming videos, house tour, what was the other thing, clean with me, what was the other, I have, like, a little whiteboard on my wall that has, like, video ideas. I have a whole chalkboard, but I feel like my chalkboard is more, like, fun, like, I can, on the whiteboard, I can erase and, you know, do it, but, yeah. Ow, why is my ear hurting? Alright, anyway. Yo. She's going psycho. And plus, if I recorded on Father's Day, there really wasn't, like, anything that scared me to really talk about. Like, I would be talking about, like, hey guys, so Maddie and Layla are here, let's go in the pool. Okay, so we got rained on, now we're gonna watch Coraline. It's just like, it wouldn't have been like a put together, well done, like, when I want my videos, I want it to kind of be like, here's this clip, and then I'll clip like a little bit of a montage of whatever we're doing. If I say we're going to go in the pool, I would do like a little bit of a montage. Not really like a complete montage, like get the drone shots and stuff like that, but you know what I'm saying. But yeah, let's see, I don't know what my last video was. It was just like, I was gone for like so long. It was like, I don't want to go away for like more than like 3-4 weeks, maybe 5-6 weeks. I don't know what the longest time I was gone for, but if I feel like I've been gone for too long, I'll just screen record a little bit, like video, and just post that. No editing really needed to be done. I like those types of videos. They're really easy to make. They're fun also because I get to choose a game. What do you want? What do you want? Alright, as I was saying, my mom was staring at me through the window, so I was like, anyway, I feel like the storm is like slowing down now. If you guys can only see like those little droplets, but it's sprinkling. Yeah. I want to do a backyard tour because I want to get like a trampoline. Girl, you were interrupting me. We have breaks. You go after I speak. I'm kidding. Yeah, I want to do like a backyard tour because, you know, I have a nice backyard, but it's like, I want to get more stuff in the backyard, like a trampoline, a swing set, like all of that stuff. That was the big lady. Alright. Let's wait for this part to go. Oh shoot, wait, now you guys know what county I'm in. I wonder where the fire truck is coming through. Like, I'm confused. Anyway. Why is there so many cars going by? Dang. So yeah, because if you want to see, like, comment down any videos you want to see. Like, I am open to anything. Like, makeup videos, anything you guys really want to see, I'm down for. I want to do more, like, hair, like, not actual hair videos, but like kind of like hairstyle ideas. But I would like do all the basic hairstyles, just like you do this and then like this and cute. But I don't have long enough hair, maybe, and especially this piece, it's very awkward because it's not as long as all the other pieces. So all the other pieces go down to like here, and this one only goes down to here. And yes, this is my Widow's Peak little one. I just normally brush her back with all the rest of my hair, but sometimes she gets parted on the sides, as you guys can tell. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know if I'm going to include this video with my other video, because this is like 12 minutes long. 12, yeah. And I don't want my video to be like 30 minutes long, because all my other clips are not that long, but kind of long. Yo, you got wings? That's a weird dog shape. Yeah. I'm gonna upload this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Bye!